What's up guys, so for this video we're going to be doing unboxing this Vtech 7 inches smart Wi-Fi 1080p pan and tilt monitor from Vtech. Alright, according from Baby Monitor Brand USA, it's #1 and Woman's Choice Award in 2020. So here's some features. So wide angle viewing up to 110 degrees, free live remote access via smartphone and tablets, onboard recording, and of course pan, tilt and zoom up to 10 times. So here's the few read subs. There you go. If you just want to read this one really quick, and of course you can able to watch your baby or dogs at home or wherever you are. And it has a 3-level sound indicator. So this is where you're gonna tilt, move your video. Alright, so let's start the unboxing. Okay, so we got some manual. We're gonna go through those later on. We got the wall mount. Okay. Charger, it's gonna be USB-C. Okay. And this is gonna be your camera, your camcorder. Says 1080p. And this is gonna be the microphone at the back of the video. And look at this monitor. It's huge, and you can do this so it can go and stand up. First, let's just compare this LCD screen to my iPhone XS Max. So here's the comparison. I believe the iPhone Max is 6.5 inches. Yep, 6.5 inches, and this is 7 inches. So there you go. So 7 inches is pretty big, which is very cool. That's why I chose this one instead of getting the 5 inches LCD monitor, because they have the same price range. I got this from Target. So the retail price on this one is 160 something, but I only got this for 124.99. Okay, all you have to do is do the price match. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Okay. So power on, power button will be on this side, right side. Let's see if it has a, there you go. Just one push and the screen will turn on right away. It's gonna be one button for on and off switch. Okay. Let's start setting this one up. Okay, it says let's go. Thank you for choosing Vtech. Here are few tips to get your up and running quickly with the best performance. Okay. Well, it's not a touch screen, so I'm gonna click select over here on the right side on the analog. There you go. Did you turn on the camera? Okay, this thing is asking to turn it on, so we're gonna move this button on the right. Looks like it's dead, so let me just plug this one in by using this adapter. They said it's rechargeable, but we're gonna find out. Okay, plug it over here. Okay, now it's on. So here's right side will be off and the left side will be on. So it's on now. And now let's continue with this settings. So LED will auto go off after a while. Each camera has power switch. Ensure power switch slides to on to connect camera to the viewer. Okay, next. Okay, for the mic, okay. Okay, LED light will auto go off after a while. Each camera has power switch. Okay, next. The camera's viewer can stream video without a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, that's good. To see and hear your baby from your smartphone, follow the instruction on viewer to connect this system to Wi-Fi and pair instructions on the viewer to connect this system to Wi-Fi and pair it with the free Vtech Baby 1080p app on your smartphone device. Okay, let's start. Right now the camera is off. Oh, it's connected. Hello. Okay, just like that. Okay, but it's creating a feedback. So let's lower the ball volume. Okay. I think that's it. Okay, so whenever I talk, see this light on the right top, right? It's blinking. Okay, so Okay, so that's pretty much it. So let me now install the app. Let's check it out if how easy it's gonna be. Okay, so let me just go ahead and scan this. More support information, HT, what's this, Vtech. Okay, I think I'm gonna able to find that in the box, so I'm just gonna, so here's the app, so I'm just gonna scan this one. Or just type Vtech, Vtech, baby monitor. Let's see, Vtech only. Okay, yeah. So here it is. Here we go, Vtech 1080p. So it has a poor review. Let me just put my password really quick. Okay, we got it. So it's downloading right now. Okay, let's open it. Okay, I'm just gonna hit allow. So email, I'm gonna register my email. After finishing your registration, all you have to do is to confirm your registry on your email, in your email. By doing this, please click here within 7 days verify your account right here. Okay, gonna hit that one right there. Okay, account is verified. Then we're gonna go back. Once you did that, we're gonna go back to the Vtech sign in. Okay guys, so once you install the application from the App Store or any Google account for your Androids, all you have to do is to, let me just make this a little bit closer. Just tap the menu. We're gonna go and connect this thing on the Wi-Fi. Because basically once you add the camera on your app and search for a network, and no unregistered camera was found, which is because this is not being connected to your Wi-Fi yet. So as you can see, I hit the QR, the code, and this is what's gonna show up. So you're asking you for options, so select menu, which is this one right here on the 7-inch monitor of Vtech. So now we are now about to connect this to the Wi-Fi. So by clicking the menus, then you see this. So we're gonna go there. Also, you can able to play music for your baby. And the sensitivity of the sound, we can adjust that one. Sound detection alert. Okay, those are just some of the options. Okay, we can also increase the brightness. Night. Okay, volume. Okay, security keys. Okay, now time to connect to the Wi-Fi and connect to mobile phone. So we're just gonna connect to the Wi-Fi first, and I'm gonna go ahead and look for my Wi-Fi, which is this one right here. Now I'm gonna type. Now all you have to do is to type your passwords, and I'm gonna type my password right now. It's now successfully connected. Okay, once it's successfully connected, all you have to do is to hit done. Okay. So we're gonna search for the network again. Okay, now this is connected to the Wi-Fi. Now it's time to connect this directly to the phone. Right here.
Now that your system is connected to Wi-Fi, you are ready to set up your app so you can monitor your baby from your smartphone. Before proceeding, make sure your smartphone is Android 5 or later and iOS 8 or later. Also, check for these icons on the display. This will indicate that your system is connected to the Wi-Fi network and you are ready to add your cameras to the app. If you see this icon on the display, your monitor is not connected to Wi-Fi. You will need to go back and install your monitor on the Wi-Fi network before you can add your cameras to the app. For help, watch the How to Set Up Wi-Fi Connection video. Here we will walk you through how to install the app, create an account and sign in, and add a camera unit. First, you will need to locate the app. You may scan the QR code displayed here, or search my Vtech Baby 1080p in your app store. Then download the app. When the app is downloaded, open the app and follow the instructions to create an account. Now, check your inbox, spam folder or all email folder for an email from my Vtech Baby 1080p app. Open the email and click the account verification link. Then, you may sign into the app. To add a camera, you will need to scan a QR code in the viewer. Follow the steps here to find the QR code.
There you go.
Then, you can add a camera to the app. Now you are using the video monitor on your smartphone.
Okay, let's try that one out. Okay, so we're connected. Okay, now I see it. Okay, let's see if I can able to. Let's see if I can able to maneuver it. Oh, so there's no tilt control over the smartphone, so it only works on this. So if I swing this, and that's it. All right, but at least it's working. So how the night vision works? Go ahead, turn on the lights. I mean, turn off the lights. There you go. See how clear it is. So there you go, guys. All right, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please support the channel, and you guys always be safe, and peace.